Hello, now I'm going to show you how to put some randomness into a story. I'm going to use the same story that we had a couple videos ago, and we need to start off by importing random. So import random at the top of it, and now if they choose yes for opening a treasure, then they're going to get a nice dagger. However, let's do that with a little bit of randomness. So let's say give them a 30% chance of getting ice dagger. How we do that is we'd say if random dot random is less than 0.4. Now let's remember random dot random just picks a random number between 0 and 1. So if I do is less than 0.4, then 40% of the time it's going to be in that area. So that gives us a 40% chance of doing this. So 40% of the time they get a nice dagger. And then let's do else. So if they don't get it in there, they're going to get some gold. We could print you get or you find some gold. And then we can items.append say 30 gold. Alright, that looks good. So if I run this and I open the treasure chest, we find some gold and we still don't have any weapons. And here I found the ice dagger and I can equip it. So you can see that it will go back and forth. And sometimes, even though it's 40%, it's possible that you get the same thing 3 or 4 times in a row. That's just how randomness works. Now let's also randomize the amount of gold we want. So let's say we want it somewhere between 20 and 40. So let's say gold is equal to random dot. Now here we don't want to use random.random because that's going to be between 0 and 1. I would use random.randint. And I'm going to go between 20 and 40. So 20 comma 40. Now if we do that, then that will save that random number as gold. So I can say you find some and then plus gold. Now this gold right here is referencing that. So you find, instead of some, we should say you find, that would be like 30 or 20, whatever it is. You find 40 gold. Now item.append, we're going to append gold. So that'll be the number, and then plus the word gold. Now we have one problem. If I ran this, we're going to have an error. Oh, there it is. I got it on my first try. We can't find gold because you can't concatenate a string and a non-integer. What that means is this: it sees as an integer, so we got to change that into a string because you can't put together a string and an integer. So we're going to do that in both of these instances, and now I believe it should work. Let's run it. Do you want to open a treasure chest? Yes. I find 38 gold. Now, if I ran it again, if I said yes, I got to figure out how to say yes. There we go. Now I found 39 gold. It just has to be a number between 20 and 40. Hopefully you get the point.